Good morning, children. Now in the botany part, book back questions of this chapter. Whatever we have started, the chapter that is chromosomal basis of inheritance, chapter number 3. We will be completing in the school today. So I have given the question answer in this chapter. Question number 1. Answer is option C. A, B genes are 2 centimeters. So the answer will be the option number A. Now next, match the following. First you match and then find out it is coming option number C. Fourth question, following sentences, option number 3 and 4, they are the correct. So when I meet with you and if I am getting time tomorrow, I will be discussing all these one more question answer. Now due to the incomplete linkage in maize, the parental recombinant types are option C. Because 50-50 will be not complete linkage means 50-50. This is called coupling phase, this is called the repulsion phase. So this is the only option. Now next one, genes GLSH, GSLH are located on the same chromosome. The option number SHGL. Next one, the seventh question is point mutation sequence for transition, transversion. Transition, I told purine will be replaced by purine or pyrimidine will be replaced by pyrimidine. So first one, transition. What are the purines and pyrimidine? Purine, this is A and G. Pyrimidine, T and C. Now A is replaced by G, C is replaced by T. So both are transition. First one transition, second one transition. Transversion. C is replaced by G and T is replaced by A. So that is B is the right option. Only understanding, nothing is there. Don't memorize. If haploid number of cell is 18, the double monosomic. Double monosomic means what? 2n minus 1 minus 1. Monosomic. Monosomic means what? Monosomic means double monosomic. It is double monosomic, 2n minus 1 minus 1. And trisomy means what? 2n plus 1. So haploid set of chromosome number is n is equal to 18. So 2n is equal to 36. Then double monosomic means 2n minus 1 minus 1. So 36 minus 1 minus 1, 34. It's correct. Now next one, it is trisomy. So trisomy is 2n plus 1. 36 plus 1 is equal to 37. This will be the right option. The option is wrong. So next one, changing the codon ACG into AGA represents missense mutation. Next one, assertion. Gamma rays are generally used to induce mutation in wheat varieties. Because of this, A is correct, R is wrong explanation. Because gamma rays are not non-ionizing, ionizing radiation. So A is correct, R is a wrong explanation of A. How many map units separate two alleles A and B if the recombination frequency is 0.9? So 9 cm, centimorgan. When two different genes come from same parent, they tend to remain together. It is a complete linkage. What is the name of the complete linkage? Then you go to the book and finish that one. Complete linkage. Complete linkage it is called. Draw and cross. It is out of portion. This one, out of portion. Complete linkage. When two different genes came from same parent, they tend to remain together. It is not complete. Coupling phase. Coupling phase. It is called coupling phase, coupling linkage. Then go to the book, page number, mark there. This is the coupling or cis configuration. coupling or cis configuration. This page number is 53. This is the answer for this cis configuration, page number 53. Page number 53. Observe ratio, suitable cross and observe ratio. Page number 53. Page number 53. Now go to the next. If you cross dominant genotype PB, male Drosophila with recessive female, I have made the তৈরি করে রাখলাম। ভিডিও চলছে। So I have made this cross. This is the answer, and you should write in your notebook. Parents are P double, that is capital letter dominant male, and this is the female. So you have to draw like this. This is the male and this is the female recessive. Now gamete formation, then F1 generation. F1 generation, then it is double recessive female. Gamete formation, two types of gametes is one type of gamete. Now F2 generation will be produced like this. Now the question is, now you cross the F1 male with double recessive female. That one also I have made. This is the female, this is the male. Now next one, what type of linkage it is? It is complete linkage. Draw the cross. So I have drawn the cross. And what is the possible genotype in F2 generation? F2 generation possible genotype. Expected observed ratio, it is 1:1. Expected ratio to be 1:1:1:1 according to Mendel. But we are getting observed ratio because the genes are located very close to each other. So it is an example of complete linkage. That's why I have drawn here. It is an example of complete linkage. Next question is that cross you have to make, and expected ratio, observed ratio, both you have to say. 15th one, outer portion. 16th one, come to the 16th one. What is the difference between missense mutation, nonsense mutation? Come to the page number 60. Page number 60, both are there. Question number, the mutation where the codon of one amino acid is changed into a codon of another amino acid, it is called missense mutation. Nonsense, stop mutation, termination or stop codon it gives rise to. So page number 60. Now next question is, from the above diagram, above figure, identify the type of mutation and explain it. Here the sequence A, B, C, D, F, sequence of genes on chromosome, but this part has been repeated, but repetition has taken place reverse. Generally B C duplication, but it is in reverse case, BC CB. That's why it is an what type of, from the above you identify the type of mutation and explain it. That is reverse duplication. You come to the page number here, reverse duplication. Reverse duplication. Normal, tandem, reverse tandem. Reverse tandem. Now you have to explain that one. Page number 64. The process you have to explain. What is the question number? Question number is 17. And explain. First you have to write what type of duplication, then explain. Question number is 18. Question number 17. Question number 17, that one you have to. 3 types, no need. Only this one. Now salient features of Sutton and Bovary concept. First you have to write reverse tandem duplication. Reverse tandem. Reverse tandem, TANDEM, one after, reverse tandem. After that, Sutton and Bovary concept of chromosomal inheritance, page number 51. This is the answer. Question number 18, all the 4 points are there, you have to write. Now next question is, explain the mechanism of crossing over. Page number 54, 55. Already we have told there are 4 steps are there. Mechanism of crossing over, 4 steps are there. What are the 4 steps? Synapsis, tetrad formation, crossing over, terminalization. These 4 steps. So page number 54 and 55. This is the end of this answer. Now next question is, this one also is out of portion, that's why I have written. How is Nicotiana exhibit self-incompatibility? Explain its mechanism. Already has been discussed. 57, 58. So question number 57 and 58. 56 and 57. Nicotiana. 56, 57. Question number 21. I have written self-sterility with a tabular column. How to find out? Very much important till the end of this, the one line only on top. That is the Nicotiana, self-incompatibility. Next question, how is sex determined in monoecious plants? Write their genes involved in this paragraph along with this table. 5 marks question, these are all. Page number 57 and 58. Page number 57 here, 58 also, the tabular column. Now next question is, what is gene mapping? And write its uses. Come to the page number 56. Gene mapping. Gene mapping I have marked also. The diagrammatic representation of position of genes and related distances between the adjacent genes is called genetic mapping. After that you have to write the uses. There are 3 points up there. Here one, and that till this is the end. Now next question is, draw the diagram different types of aneuploidy. This aneuploidy come to the flow chart at first. Flow chart I have marked with red pen. Aneuploidy. It is a 2 types: hyperploidy, hypoploidy. Hyperploidy, trisomy, double trisomy, tetrasomy, double tetrasomy, pentasomy. And hypoploidy, monosomy, double monosomy, nullisomy, double nullisomy. So till here you write at first this flow chart. After that you come in this diagram they have told. First you write the flow chart, that also will be given certain marks. That's why draw the diagram of different types of aneuploidy. Now next one, mention the name of man-made cereal. Name of this man-made cereal is triticale. Now how is it formed? That one you come to the page number 64. Question number 25, 64. This is the method by which it had been produced. Triticale. So triticum durum, sickle cereal, these are the parents. No need of drawing the diagram. Diagram is not needed. Now is 2n diploid, but its ploidy level is tetraploidy. Its ploidy level is diploidy. So you have to write X is the diploidy level, N is the basic set of chromosome. So divide by 2. Haploid gamete formation means haploid 14. Here N is equal to X is equal to 7. Then F1 hybrid simple combination. 2n is equal to 4. 3x is equal to 21. N 2x plus 3x and 14 plus 7, 21. Triploidy, it is 3x. Now it is sterile. Now because there is no homologous pair will be there. 21, how it will be homologous? So the plant will be sterile. Now by applying colchicine, chromosome number doubling had taken place. So 2n is equal to 6x is equal to 42. At that time this diagram is also not needed. Triticale, it is hexaploidy. This is the end of this topic. Okay, thank you children.